Hello. Today I'm going to talk about COVID-19 vaccination in pregnancy. In a major development, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has now announced that all pregnant women are eligible for the COVID-19 vaccination. They have accepted the recommendation of the National Advisory on Immunization and the WHO as well as FOXI, which have been promoting the use of this vaccination in pregnant women for the past few months. So it's a very welcome move for our obstetric patients, and the aim of making this video was to guide my patients regarding the use of this vaccination in pregnancy. So technically now all individuals more than 18 years of age, including pregnant women, are eligible to take this vaccination in India. So we have two major vaccines available. One is the Covishield, the other is Covaxin. So we know that both of these vaccines do not have any live virus in them, and therefore technically they do not pose any risk to the baby or to the mother. So therefore all kind of anxiety regarding the baby being affected should be allayed. Okay, so we should remember that these vaccinations really would not harm our baby at all. Apart from that, in the last wave of the corona pandemic, we saw that a lot of pregnant women had very severe disease, and also they had, the babies were also affected. So therefore it is very much important that before the next wave arrives, we immunize our pregnant ladies at the earliest. So therefore all pregnant women, please take the vaccination as early as possible. Now it's also been seen that pregnancy itself is an immunocompromised state. Also, we know that a number of categories of women experience very severe COVID infections, and they are the ones, like example, the ones who are more than 35 years of age, who are very obese, who have a history of diabetes mellitus or hypertension, and who have a past history of some clotting disorder. So they are also at a very high risk of having severe COVID infection. Therefore, these women should be vaccinated. The other thing is that it also affects the baby. So what are the side effects that we see in the baby? We can find that the baby can have decreased birth weight or IUGR. It can also have preterm deliveries, and it can also result in intrauterine fetal deaths. So to prevent all these complications, COVID-19 vaccinations should be recommended and should be taken by our patients. The next question which comes up is that when these vaccinations can be taken in pregnancy. So it's very clear that vaccination can be taken at any time during the pregnancy, at any trimester. So you just have to go in and register yourself and get yourself immunized. Second is that there are no major safety concerns with this vaccination. You can experience minor side effects like other women. Like for example, you can have mild fever, you can have mild pain at the injection site, or you can have mild feeling of being unwell or tired for 2 or 3 days. So that's what the normal people also experience when they take the vaccination. So a simple paracetamol tablet can do the trick for you, and it's also absolutely safe for the baby to take this vaccination. Now one important concern which many patients have posed me is that, ma'am, does it lead to clotting? So if you read some studies, you find that yes, definitely the vaccination can be associated with slightly increased risk of clotting, but as compared to the COVID-19 disease itself. So the disease itself has a very high risk of having clotting. So if corona infection itself can cause a lot of clotting in patients, therefore the risk benefit ratio always goes in favor of getting yourself vaccinated. The risk of having a clot after a COVID-19 vaccination is much lower as compared to after having a disease. Therefore, I always tell my patients that the disease itself is posing so much of risk to you for clotting that the vaccination itself does not do it, right? So therefore it is safe to take this in pregnancy. Please do consult your doctor as early as possible and allay your anxiety, allay your concerns, and get yourself vaccinated. And also it is important to understand here that lactating mothers can also take in the vaccination. Along with that, the women who are seeking fertility can also go in for vaccination. They should not delay their vaccination because of a pending IVF or IUI. Please get yourself vaccinated. That's the priority for now. Even if you get pregnant after taking the vaccination, it doesn't really matter. It is absolutely safe to take and to get yourself to take the vaccination. Thank you so much.